Hello and welcome back, or indeed just welcome to the channel. If you've clicked into this one, you'll know that this is quite a big car show today. It's the Bonus car show. Look forward to this one every year. Should be a really good array, a collection of cars today. All sorts of stuff, so supercars, sports cars, modified cars, bikes, builds, all sorts of stuff. It's always a really good mixture. Kind of hoping the weather isn't as bad as it's looking like it might be, but yep, fingers crossed for that one. We're taking the A110 along. We've been asked to be on the We Restore alloy stand today, so that's where we're going to go. Should be a good turnout there as well. Yeah, let's go through the power of editing right there. Well, when I say straight there, I mean via McDonald's, of course. Gotta get the breakfast of champions in first. Just looking at some of these cars over here as well. The Volvo with the lights on, you might be able to make out, in the Mini, and this bad boy here. So it looks like this is where a lot of the competitors from Rust to Rome have decided to plot up for the evening. Sat over there as well. The Rust to Rome cars have stopped off for some food. Nope, no better way to start the day. So, breakfast devoured, we're going to get on the road now. Not a bad old turnout of cars today. This is going to be our We Restore Alloys Autobahn stunt. Absolute hooligan, love it. And of course it's nearly there. And that is it, we are here. We've got a 911 Turbo S and a Jaguar F-Type for company. Should be a good day. We've got our tour over there. Got the IR8. Yeah, let's go and have a look.
Rough. Messaged me this morning at 7:30.
There we go. So this is going to be our spot for the morning, or for the day even. Got nice McLarens, the R8, GT3s at the back. Just getting all the flags and stuff set up. So this is kind of all the prep that the public that come in to watch this don't really get to see, is all the running about, all the folk cleaning the cars. Just really hoping that the rain stays off, because otherwise it's a bit of a losing battle, but fingers crossed. Really glad I've just cleaned the car and it started raining. Typical. So there we go, welcome to the Bonus Car Show 2026. This is going to be our perch for the day. There's going to be lots and lots of stuff to see, so we'll be looking forward to having a wee get out and about later on. Yeah, don't really know where to start. We'll try and get around everything. Always do try to get around everything, but yeah, let me know if you see your car. Aye, let's have a wee look. This is going to be my spot for the day. So I think the plan is here to go and grab some food, and then once the show opens, we'll wander about, we'll have a look at some of the cars. But for you guys in the power of editing, we'll just do that now. But had to be done. Get myself a the Arnold Clarkson gigs. Source some food. So this wasn't here last year. This is new. So I've got the coffee in hand. We'll go and look at some of the cars now. Obviously the Mustang owners. Obviously not the N1, but the others are Mustangs. Saw this morning. There'll be quite a few cars to get around this morning, so I'll try and cover as many as I can. Saw this one at the Scottish Roadrunners event, I think, if it's the same one. I like that, that's nice. Again, no two the same. Some of the classic Beamers. Oops. Right. Yeah, I think it's going to be another decent turnout. Opens to the public pretty much now. It's just gone 10 o'clock. This would be Alpine corner. I have a childish sense of humour, but you've got to laugh at any plate that's got FUD written on it. Nah. Getting the roof down on the 320. Yeah. On it. Classic American retro sport, folks. 300C.
Because not everyone's gonna.
Well, I've said to them, this is if you're doing 40 cars, you put them in class.
There we go. Track down the guys from the Roadrunners. Hello guys, how you doing? Motors are looking good. Yeah. Right, putting the finishing touches on the wagons. Morning.
How you doing, buddy? All right?
Not too bad, not too bad. I thought Tracky's doing.
Have to find us.
Oh. It'd be impossible to cover all these cars, but let's get around, make sure I don't miss anyone. Had the sense to bring the tent again, love it. Yeah, looking good. Get PTSD from Thorny Motorsport stickers after the Mac, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. Morning.
Whoa!
Hello! So, great wee gift from the guys from the Scottish Roadrunners, thanks very much. Shout out, Scottish Roadrunners here. Bit of personal self-advertising, you can't go wrong. Cheers! There we go, the look is complete.
I was looking last month.
Chris's Julia Quadrifoglio looking good.
It was still in the back of my mind, and then you put that, you tell me that, I'm like, can I get that now? But just probably
Roadrunners always do bring a really good turnout of motors. You think Stacey here with her Saab? Love it. I'll definitely not be short of a bite to eat today. Like just kind of cutting through the middle of folks' displays, but so much to see. Is it the backyard tuning, guys? Who have we got here? Ah, backyard tuning. Check me out with my knowledge. There you go. Oh, yeah. Ford guys, Ford Elite, seen this one before. Just trying to work out without looking at the badges who these clubs are. We've got a Nissan and BM, who have we got? Northern Zeds, there you go. Try to work out, morning! Catch some more of the cars. There's some really quirky stuff. See, we saw Herbie at the, assuming this is the same one, we saw this at the Scottish Roaders Charity Day at Connie Fox. Bikes as well. Got a few stands and amusements and all that kind of stuff. Somebody's giving absolute stacks in the airsoft here, you can hear it. An airsoft machine gun almost. Scottish Audi clan. Sucker for an RS6, I've got to say. But yeah, good mixture of Audis here. RS5, RS4 at the back, S4, S4 again, S4 Avant. Again, I love these because they're not, there's no two that are exactly the same. Just customizable. What we got around here? Let's have a look. It's a TT. TTS even. Oh. So this car I actually saw yesterday up in Crieff. What have we got here? I like this, I'm not gonna lie. Really smart, alright. So the problem I always have with shows like this is not knowing which way to go, and try to make sure I don't miss anything. Add to that as well that I love the music, I love the tunes, but they make the copyright an absolute nightmare. So if some of this doesn't get through, apologies. Again, let me know if you spot your car in the comments. Caterham, nice. Very occasionally the untrained eye will spot something I think I don't know what that is. So let's play a wee game. What's this? It's Italian. It's a Lancia. Does anybody know what kind? No googling the registration. 2,500. There we go. I have learned something today. It's not just cars, this will be the
pain in the ass to get
caddy vans.
honestly, like subframe down full
So if you're a van nut, there's something here for you as well. Powered by Buckfast. Love it. Gonna go this being the Hyundai i-owners. Maybe like we'll give that away.
That here's one I'm very fucking curious to hear. That I'm very fucking curious because my neighbour has a slot. No, it's what?
Hyundai. Looking good. Sure, was this car? It's not yellow the last time, or was that a different car? Guys from East Coast Customs have got a decent turnout. Mini, VW Audi, Jag. Yeah, good mixture of stuff again. Again, if you spot your car, let me know. Do you know what? It's, even the weather's doing alright. Met some of the show rejects guys at Camperdown Park. Is it Bangers and Flash, I think, was the event. Nice bunch of folks. We're hoping it stays dry for getting up this hill here. Some decent modified stuff here. I'm sure pretty sure the buggy's not a vehicle, but never say never. Hey puppy, hey pal. Awesome 303 guys. JC Photography, seen this more before. Somebody up this way is absolutely reeking of weed. Good collection of wagons. I'm a sucker for all things French, I've got to say. Escort XR3i. Rare sight these days. Good mixture of cars that the awesome 303 guys have brought along.